It is complicated for sure. Because okay, maybe take somehow, I don't know. What he would like to do again, I don't know. Stop this one. Okay, let's take that. Let's play here, but why? Maybe to exchange this to take the pawn, maybe. He played that move, so let's play this. I'm not threatening anything, I guess, right now. Now this is... it is check, just check. I'm not taking the pawn, by the way. He's playing very nicely so far. Taking, or just... I don't know, maybe I'm going to lose here because... Yeah, I'm going to lose for sure. Because I don't have time, actually. Yeah, come on, he's threatening, actually. He's not allowing me to do anything at all. What is going on? I feel so paralyzed. So paralyzed with him. Okay, maybe here. I'm just waiting right now because he could run up for moves. Or maybe not, I don't know. Is it Zugzwang for him? I don't know. Maybe I should start pushing forward my pawns because I have pawns, I have to push them. Oh, what I'm doing, why I just play that one? Stupid move by me. I need to take it. He was a Zugzwang actually. He don't know what to do right now. Yeah, why didn't check? Yeah, let's push baby. Okay, let's take this. Let's give the check. Let's go here. I lost on time. Can you see the time? Can you see the time? It's amazing. He won me with one millisecond on the clock. If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.